Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's take this time and take a walk together as I will be sharing and exploring some of the places around me. From my point of view, living is about freeing your mind, your body, and your soul, and ensuring that you are living the best life each and every day. You don't have to worry about anything in this life. All you need is to live and live happily, doing what you like and what you love, exploring all sorts of things because you live once. People are praying each and every day for this, for that, for success. But then majority of the people who are praying so hard are not putting in the action. So I'm challenging you to just take a step and do something different and see how things will unfold. We are all built differently, and each and every one of us is unique. So for you to shine, you need to be yourself. You need to live with a purpose, and also you need to come up with something a little bit different from what everyone is doing, because to reach destinations that you are hoping and wishing for, you need to do things differently. By doing what everyone is doing, you won't unleash your full potential. So I'd like to say, just do you, be yourself, and excel. This life is very broad. We can see with nature that everything in nature is unique. Big and small, all different animals are unique in their own way. Different sounds, different sizes, different shapes, different characters, you name them. So be your own kind of a person and show yourself to the world. I'm very much revived and rejuvenated by just walking around, looking at the beauty of nature, how open it is and how beautiful it is. So I'd like to challenge you to say, shine in your own way. Do not imitate anyone. You might just get information from different people, based on what they did to get to where they are, but then all you need is to pave your own way. You have to pave your own way, pave your own path, and live happily. Thank you for tuning in to my channel and having some time with me as we were exploring. Basically, I just wanted us to see how refreshing nature is and how rejuvenating it is. Just the smell of the fresh breeze all around here. Look how open this space is. Look how open the space is. It's not yet developed. Just walking around here, a number of ideas will cross your mind. So now I'm in a new journey in my life, whereby I'm in a space of transition. I'm transitioning from the old me, the person I was, the things I was doing, and pursuing what I like. And it's quite hectic, it's quite challenging and stressful. I've made time to explore more about YouTube, vlogging, taking pictures, going places, and just, showing how I live my life. So join me in the journey as we grow together up until we reach to the sky. As I said, I'm trying by all means to be genuine and to be original. So this is how I'm spending my time and my day today. Just taking a walk out there and exploring how things are out here. One thing that I've realized is that we have polluted our planet with so many things, and on top of everything, it's plastic because it's not biodegradable. So it just crossed my mind that if us people who are out here could just come together, gather, and do campaigns of cleaning to rejuvenate our environment. There's so many other activities which affect our planet, our mining, our manufacturing, which harms the environment. But then we need to start on the ground, because everything starts just small. So walking around here, I can see that nature has been so much affected by human activity. Instead of making this world a better place, we are actually destroying it. We are actually destroying it. If you can have a look here, it's a stream, and there were some bridges that were built, but then look how filthy it is. There's some sewage, there's some bottles, there's some plastic, rubber, and all those things. Basically, this means that the air that we are now breathing has been contaminated by all our different processes that we do. So, as a lover of nature, it's an alert to me that we need to always remind each other to take care of nature. Do not forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button. Do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Follow my channel and support me. You can make your comments on the comment section and you can also share what we are sharing together or what we are exploring on this journey. And I thank you very much for making time to go through this process with me. Being on YouTube is very challenging because the first thing, you need to have something to discuss, you need to have a topic, you need to have a problem statement. If it's a problem, you need to have a solution. So today we were just around here taking a walk and just having a look at how things are. So thank you for your time. Hit that like and subscribe. Then we'll continue with the journey. They always say everything is easier said than done, and I do agree with that. Being in front of a camera ain't no child's play, but you need to just do it. We're still going to learn a lot of things. I've experienced a lot of things, even in the workspace. I've been to maybe 6 to 7 different spaces, workspaces, your retail, engineering, education, entertainment. There's a lot that I've learned in my journey, and I'm so grateful to have been exposed to all those different spaces. It was a great journey. It's still continuing to be a great journey, even now where I am in a space that I'm in. And one funny thing that I was just thinking is that all the spaces that I've occupied, or places that I've worked in, or fields, are not totally related, or they are totally different, not related in any way. But then as you go and grow, you learn just to work with people. That's all I can say. You learn social skills, you learn how people work, their ethic, their actions, and all the things that they share. It's quite a nice thing, to be in a space where people think differently, and you grow a lot on a daily basis. You never get through or reach your maximum level of living as long as you are living, meeting with people, engaging with them. You get to learn what they know, the skills they have, how they do things to be basically easy. And now there's YouTube, the greatest professor, the greatest lecturer. There's Google, there's ChatGPT, AI, all these platforms which are giving us so much information, whereby one just needs to know how to filter through, how to navigate. Because you can have the best equipment or machine in front of you, but then if you do not know how to utilize it, it's of no use. Because what matters most is action.